Hello, my name is Kyla Amor, and for today's video, I am going to do some unboxing ng 16 centimeters na ring light from Lazada. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I know it's not a big time ring light. It's not the, the pang professional, but I'm actually still excited kasi I've been wanting to buy ring light. I tried buying nung May ata yun from a friend, kaso nag-out of stock siya. It was 26 centimeters. Tapos I tried din sa Lazada, kaso nag-cancel sila ng order ko. And then sabi ko, maybe it's not the time for me to buy a ring light. And nakita ko yung video ni That's Bella. I saw her Lazada haul and I saw the 16 centimeters na ring light. So yes, let's get unboxing! Okay, so I'm gonna do some unboxing. I think this is the first time na mag-unboxing video ako. And I'm so excited! Open ko na siya! Ah! Okay. Kyla, chill! Kahit na maliit lang siya, I'm excited. Because I've been wanting this. Okay na rin sa akin to. Like, small ring light muna. Since I'm still a small YouTuber. And if we reach far, that's when I'm going to buy myself the big ring light. This is so relaxing. For this, sana hindi ako ma-disappoint. So, let's use some scissors. Yes. So, this is the box. Ayan siya. And then, oh, there it is. It has monopod and it has tripod. Oh, it is small. So okay, it's this small. It's kind of the size of my hand. Okay, so let's try it. So ganito siya. Okay, makeup guru lang. Okay, ayaw niya mag-focus. Please focus, please focus. Ganyan siya. So it doesn't have any adapter. Ang nakikita ko sa videos is kinakabit nila sa power bank. But I'm gonna try to saksak it to an adapter. So I have an adapter here. I'm gonna use my Samsung adapter. And let's try kung gagana siya. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't work with adapter. So we're going to try my power bank. Buti na lang, may power bank ako. Okay, I think it's really good lang for power bank. Sana gumagana siya because this video is going to be a fail video. I'm scared. Okay, sana mag-work siya. So it doesn't work with adapter. I'm kind of nervous because it might not work. Hello, so I am back. Naka-charge na yung power bank ko and I am so happy. So, okay. So there are 4 buttons. Okay, there are 4 buttons. This is the power button. This is the minimize button. The reverse. No, it's not reverse. It just reminded me of the Uno card. But anyway, this is the switch button to change colors. And then this one is the maximize button. Yes, so we are going to turn it on. Okay. Yan na yung pinaka-mababa niya. And then let's try yung pinaka-malakas. So, yan yung pinakamalakas. So, we have the monopod here. Okay, I'm so bad at this. Anyway, so, para mag-lock yung sa monopod, you have to turn this one. Okay. Okay, I'm so bad at this one. Okay, please forgive me. Okay, so, meron naman to para you can either do this, para ganyan, or ganyan. Ayan. Para mag-turn siya. So, it's not so bad at all. Because, yeah, okay siya for YouTube videos. Okay din siya for short films na low budget. So, okay. If you wanna know the price, keep on watching. Okay, we're now going to try the tripod. Okay, so, ito siya. So, pwede naman ito lang. Or pwede rin natin gamitin yung isa pa, which is this one. Para pwede natin siyang i-turn. So, I'm gonna show you the difference. With this one kasi, steady lang siya. As in, steady lang or, pag naka-stand siya, steady lang siya na ganyan. But, with this one, you can turn it. I am going to show it to you. So, okay. so sorry, I'm so bad at this one. I just tried doing this unboxing and this review because, you know, I'm super excited for it. But this is my first time. Okay, so this one, without this, it's going to be steady lang siya. But with this one, you can turn it. So, pwede mo siyang i-turn ng ganyan. So, kunyari gusto mong pababa, andito yung videohan mo. O kaya naman yung want na ganyan. O kaya naman from... Okay, wait. So, kunyari, kailangan mo ng light sa baba. So, pwede mo rin siyang i-turn ng ganyan. So, yeah. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Now, we are going to try it naman. I'll be using this for my next videos. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, naka-stand na siya in front of my cam. And, oh my gosh. So, hindi siya kita sa camera, sa frame ng camera. Okay? So, that's good. So, ganyan siya. I can make it brighter or ganyan. Let's change the color. I can't really see because I'm not wearing any contacts. I'm so sorry. Let's try this one, the medium one. Ayan. So, can you super bright? And then, ito naman yung darkest niya. So, I am going with this one, I think. Yes, I think it's good. So, ayan siya. So, actually, I also tried to make some short films. So, I guess I can use this naman somehow. Yeah. Anyway, so, okay, ganito na yung setup ko. Oh my god, I'm so happy, Ma! Ma, I'm sorry, Ma, pero masaya ako, Ma. Sana pagbigyan mo ko dito, Ma. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So, now, for the price ng ring light na to, I got this for 398 pesos. Hindi pa included yung shipping fee. So, with the shipping fee, it's 438 pesos. So, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I don't know what else to say. Sobrang saya ko lang talaga. Yes, I super recommend it. Sinabi ko na kanina ulit-ulit, I recommend it for all the YouTubers na starting pa lang, for all the small YouTubers. Actually, kahit big YouTuber, okay din siya. For those na very low budget pa sa film, you're a film student and kailangan na lighting pero sobrang mahal for you, I recommend this one for 100 plus. Okay na siya. As in. And, yeah. I have no other words for it. I'll be leaving the link on the description box if ever na gusto mo ring bumili ng ganitong ring light. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be updated every time I upload a new video. So, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell kasi sa August, magkakaroon ako ng giveaway. So, I'm not gonna tell you yet kung ano yung ipapag-giveaway ko, pero magkakaroon ako ng giveaway, so make sure to stay tuned and it's going to be a surprise. So, I hope to see you on my next video and don't forget to give love to yourself. Bye!